Hey everyone! Losing my smartphone is my worst nightmare. Not so much the device itself, but all the personal data on it, and especially losing access to two-factor authentication codes. So to help other potential survivors of such a catastrophe, I'll cut to the chase. There are two possible scenarios if you lose your phone. Best case and, well, the other one. Best case is when you're prepared for it. And I don't mean talking it through with a therapist. You just need to pre-configure your phone. To cushion the blow before it happens, read our blog. Link in the description. And for this video, we'll look at scenario number 2, when you weren't prepared. Maybe you didn't even lock the screen. If so, you gotta act fast. First of all, get hold of another phone to call from. Legally, of course. You might have to drop by a store or cafe or borrow a phone from a cab driver or a police officer. Number 1. Block your SIM card. The first call is to your cell phone operator. Tell them you've lost your SIM card and ask them to block it. Then, if your phone was stolen, the thief won't receive verification codes. Number 2. Warn family and friends. The second call is to someone close. If you remember their number or have it written down somewhere, warn them your phone has fallen into the wrong hands and the thief might send texts pretending to be you or call your contacts asking for money. Ask your contact to post a warning on social networks. Number 3. Block your phone. To block a stolen phone, you'll need internet access and a secure device where you can enter passwords. Your own computer is best. A public device won't do. Your passwords might get leaked. So the second best option is to go to see a friend. The first thing to do is sign into your Google or Apple ID account. This can be a problem if you're signing in from someone else's device and you have two-factor authentication set up. You won't get the code, of course, since you don't have your phone. Remember when you set up two-factor authentication, you were given some backup codes. Now it's time to use them. You kept them, right? Once you're inside your Google or Apple ID account, go to Security on Android or the Find My app on iPhone and find your missing phone in the list of devices. If both the phone and geolocation are turned on, you'll see it on the map. But don't go around and bang on the door, it might get dangerous. Better to go to the police. Next, select Secure Device on Android or Mark as Lost on iPhone. The system will prompt you to enter a message for the lock screen and a backup number where you can be contacted. Now your phone will display only this message. If the phone isn't stolen but just lost, the finder will be able to call you. Be careful, scammers may also get in touch with you. They might say pretend to be technical support asking for your account password. In the same section, you can wipe data from the phone. But keep in mind that you won't be able to track it after that, and some data on an SD card might remain. This only applies to Android smartphones. Number 4. Unlink bank cards. You can do this using the Find My Device feature. Both Google and Apple have something similar. You'll likely be prompted to do this right after locking the phone. If not, unlink the cards manually in the account settings. You don't need to block the cards, they haven't been stolen, just the phone. On Android, in your Google account, go to Payments and Subscriptions. Select Manage Payment Methods. Remove your bank cards. On iPhone, in your Apple ID account, find your stolen iPhone under Devices. Under the list of cards, tap Remove All. Number 5. Report the phone's IMEI number and block it. In the US, UK, Turkey, Latvia, and some countries in Latin America, you can block your phone using its unique identification number. Then the stolen device won't be able to register on the network. To do this, you need to give the number to the network operator. You can find it on the box if you kept it, or by other means. On Android, use the Find My Device feature. Tap the information symbol by the phone icon, the I in the circle, and the number will be in the prompt. For an iPhone, here's your link. Sign in with your Apple ID. After that, go to Devices to find the number. That's the most important things done. Good job! Now you can breathe out and deal with the less catastrophic consequences. Number 6. Contact the police. Report the theft, giving the phone number and a description of the device. There's a chance you'll get your phone back. Don't give up hope. Phones have been known to turn up even years later. Number 7. Change your passwords. Change as many passwords as you can that you use in apps and saved in the browser. After that, set up two-factor authentication and link it to your new phone. Number 8. Get your data back. If you enabled backup, you can restore all your data. For this, you need a completely wiped or a new phone. You can read more about backups on Kaspersky Daily. Number 9. Don't get mad. Sure, losing your phone is stressful and threatens your data. But if you follow our advice, back up your data in advance and protect everything securely, you'll minimize the damage. And don't despair. Even if your phone's stolen or lost, the main thing is your own personal safety. If you've ever lost your phone, tell us in the comments what you did and whether your actions matched our tips. Laters!